PINEMAP is the acronym for this project, and it stands for Pine Integrated Network Education, Mitigation, and Adaptation Project. And that sort of describes the elements of what we're doing. We're bringing together a large network of educators, extension professionals, and researchers to do a number of things. First, we want to do research to create the knowledge that we need to better manage planted pine forest in the southeast United States to mitigate atmospheric CO2. In other words, to take CO2 out of the air, store it in forests and in forest products. That's the mitigation part. We'll have research teams from throughout the range of the project going out and doing detailed measurements of carbon pools and carbon fluxes in planted pine experiments. This will enable us to better understand how regional changes in climate and soils, as well as things associated with pine growth, management, stand development, how all of those things impact the sequestration or storage of carbon by planted pine forests. We're analyzing existing data from genetic experiments from throughout the range of loblolly pine to understand how weather and climate affect the growth and disease resistance of a wide range of genotypes or varieties. As climate changes, this will enable us to better understand what genetic type should be planted in what regions given predicted changes in climate. The second part of the genetic research is focused more on molecular biology and molecular genetics. We're doing research to better understand what genes control traits or characteristics that are important. All that knowledge will be brought together and given to land managers, both industrial and non-industrial planted pine managers, through our extension networks. In the end, the goal of PINEMAP is to create knowledge that will enable people to better manage planted pine forests. Because planted pine is so important ecologically and economically for the region, this project is important because it helps to protect that resource and also to enhance the environmental benefits that we derive from that resource as well. If you were to rank the amount of timber output of the southeastern United States on a list of countries, the southeastern United States would produce more wood than any country in the world. PINEMAP is an example of a project that's large enough, involves enough people, and is interdisciplinary enough to actually have an impact on the real world at a regional scale. I think in the end, forest management both helps to conserve a really important ecological resource that people depend on, but also through that, it benefits people and benefits society. And those are the impacts that I want to have and that are the reason why I do what I do.